long
Do
as
you know
damn
me?
enough. Baby, don't I know you?
How do you know me?
Because I know you.
Where you know me from?
Don't worry about all that, babe. I know you.
Okay, so what am I lying about? You have to be
You
specific.
be lying about every damn thing. You lie about Gerard. You lie about your relationships. You lie about every damn thing.
How?
So don't be trying to
About
sit
what?
here and perpetrate.
Nah, she
Don't.
being
No, 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 no,
specific.
no. Wait, hold up. Don't be trying to sit here and perpetrate like you got it all together when you know you damn don't. Be for real.
Ew,
Take it
you
from
don't
a
even,
G.
you can't even show your face. Can we
Take
see
it
your
from a
face?
real G.
Cause you a
Take it
real
from a
G.
G.
Cause you're a
OG.
G? That's a
OG.
coward.
I'm older than you, sis.
Okay, you sound like it, sis. Okay,
Yeah,
so
sis. Yeah.
what am I lying about exactly? She still has to answer the question.
Quit trying to string Brandon along like you like him when you really don't.
How do you know if I like him or if I really don't?
You don't.
How do you know this? From social media?
Because you always on live talking about you like him, and then 1 minute you acting like he a stage 5 clinger and shit. So
He
what is
is.
it? Do you like him or do
He
you not?
is, and I do like him. What the fuck? It could be both. Is it that my
Girl,
life is so
girl,
unbelievable? It's hard to
stop. Girl,
believe.
quit lying to yourself. And take them plaques out your head while you at it, trying to act like you Gerard's girl. Quit doing it to yourself. Okay?
Okay.
I'm
I gotta
telling you
laugh
this
at that.
out of love, okay? I'm being for real with
Girl,
your ass.
look, I want to be nice, okay? Because you ain't
Be
even show your
nice.
face.
Be nice.
She said good night or be nice.
I said be nice, babe.
Okay, all right. Let's not talk about physical appearance because I can't see yours, okay? And
No,
as far as
no, you
lying,
can't.
baby, boo-boo, child, I don't know what you're talking about, but
Yes,
you're not
honey.
here. And it's
Yeah.
normal human emotions. I don't know if you have a man. I don't know if you get dick regularly. You don't sound like you do.
Uh-huh.
But
Yeah.
you sound like a fan, and you sound like you watch my channel. So keep watching.
But you know
I
what?
mean, shit.
But you know what? Once upon a time, I was a fan of yours. I rooted for you.
Oh, and that's
I
really,
yeah, real shit, real shit.
You a hater, bitch.
Real shit, baby.
Though.
I can admit to that shit, baby. I turn my TV down for this shit. I can admit to that shit, baby. I was a real fan of yours.
Then
but
why
then
you
started
sides?
getting brand new.
Why you switch sides on a bitch?
Nah, baby, I ain't switch sides on your ass. You started getting brand new on the motherfucker and started getting a little change in your pocket, and you changed up on the motherfucker.
No,
so
I didn't, bitch. You need a reality check with your motherfucking self. You got a little change in your pocket, bitch.
No, sweetie. You need a reality check with your motherfucking self. Reality check yourself.
Are you a hater because I got some change in my pocket?
Quit trying to stunt on another nigga with a nigga that you don't want and see about you and your children. Real shit, okay?
Bitch, my children are with me every single day. Do you have children?
I ain't gotta have children to know what the deal is, motherfucker.
Okay, bitch. First of all, if you ain't got children, don't speak on no motherfucking children.
I can speak on whatever the fuck I want to, bitch.
My children are with me every single fucking day.
I can speak on whatever the fuck I want to, okay?
I'm a good ass mother.
It don't matter what the fuck. If I have 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 children, motherfucker, I can speak on the fuck I want to on some real shit. You requested me to talk to you, so I'm letting you know what the deal is, okay? You need a reality check.
Bitch, now, and you ain't finna give it to me.
All you are is a grown woman to get your shit together. I ain't gotta show a motherfucking face, bitch. I'm letting you know what the fuck going on.
Bitch, you can't let me know what the fuck going on in my life, dumb bitch.
I already told you.
You didn't tell me shit.
What else?
You didn't tell me shit. You didn't tell me a motherfucking thing other than your fucking opinion. And it doesn't matter. So it sounds like you were a fan. You got a little bit of jealous in your heart.
I was a fan. Yeah.
And you switched up on a bitch. But look, here's the motherfucking gag though, bitch. You still here. So thank you for watching. Keep fucking watching. And I'll talk to you later.
And
have a good night.
Done? Baby. You done?
Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Bitch, still gonna watch. At least she can admit it though. She was a fan. Bitch, you still a fan. You need to admit it. What the fuck? I see what I tell y'all. I don't be fucking lying. I'm telling you guys what I see, and now hopefully you see it. I told you, motherfucker, switch on me. Switch up on me all the time. Because I got a little change in my pocket. Bitch, if you got a little change in your pocket, You probably switch up on a couple bitches too. You feel me? The fuck? And it's not called switching up. It's called leveling up, bitch. There's a difference. I'm still the same bitch, just with a little change in my pocket, ho. You can't stand it, don't watch it. The fuck? What, you want me to stay a broke bitch? Nah, you should want the best for the people you fuck with. And if I fucked with you, bitch, I'd be like, yeah, look at my bitch getting some change in her pocket and switching up on hoes. That's right, bitch. But you a hater. So, sorry. Can't relate. Shit. That was fun though. She could stay. You can stay. I'm not gonna block you. You answered. Yeah, trying to talk about my plats, bitch. Can't see yours though. So let's just simmer down. Why didn't I say this to her? Bitch, I did! In so many words. Shut the fuck, she kept talking. Shit, I ain't finna raise my voice to no bitch. Especially on Instagram Live, okay? Not everybody grows with you. Yeah, and not everybody can come with you. You feel me? I know that. But still. I hate when people be like, why are you lying? Bitch, lying about what? I don't even have enough energy to fucking lie to y'all. The fuck? Yeah, she ain't gonna talk about my kids, though. I said shit about my kids, bitch. It's 2:13. Who's this? Hey, Liv, watching from H-Town. What's up? I woke up just in time, the fuck. From what I see, you're a good mother. You have your kids all well fed, a roof. Yeah, thank you, babe. I try. She was country as fuck. She sound like she from Dallas. Bitch might be around the corner. Oh my god, that shit was the funniest shit ever. Oh, that shit was the funniest shit ever. I'm mad I deleted that live. That shit was so funny. With that dude from, where was he from? Turkey? Oh, that guy didn't join. Mimi ain't scared, trust. I'm right here though. It's supposed to snow in Dallas tomorrow. I know. I'm so excited. I hope it really does. I pray. I pray that it does. Entertainment at its best, but won't show face. The privileges. Girl, I be waiting for her every time I go live. And like, I had one of these haters. I'm not gonna say haters, because that sounds so fucking corny. Even though that's what the fuck they are, I don't like to say that too much. whenever I add one of these people that be talking shit, I'm just always waiting for her to be like, "What's up, bitch?" Like, I'm just waiting for it, bitch. So I can be like, "Bitch, say motherfucking privileges, please." Do it one more time. Shout out the UK. Shout out to the UK, baby. Grow the fuck up. Oh my God, Mimi, take your old ass to bed, bitch. Okay? Isn't it past your fucking bedtime, bitch? Talking about you older than me. How old are you? Go to sleep. You gave your lecture tonight, okay? Mimi, why are you so mad at her? Mimi ain't mad at me, baby. She's mad at her damn self. Old but wise hoe. I mean, I'll let you have your own opinion on what's wise. Because being up at like 2 something in the morning, talking shit to a bitch that you really like, but you're hating on because I got some change in my pocket and I switched up on you, which I didn't, but you still want to trip. So you call in or I call you, you answer, talking shit. When really you should just be like happy to talk to me. Or just like vibe out, you feel me? No, that's not wise. That's take your ass to sleep. It's too late for you. Whenever my kids start acting up, I tell them, take your ass to sleep. So I'm gonna say the same thing. Take your ass to sleep. Okay? Take your ass to sleep. All right. It's gum. I'm over it. You added me, okay? Yeah, but you talk shit. The only reason I added you is because you were talking shit in the comments, bitch. So you talking about, yeah. You were talking shit in the comments. That's the only reason I added you. She said, Mimi wise enough not to show that face. Girl. Look. You're pressed. You lost that round. Keep it moving. I don't know who you're talking about. Who you talking about? Girl cringe. Oh, here we go. We got another taker, y'all. Undecided 2021. Step to the mic. Round 2 in your eyes, right? Let's go. Don't decline, beach, because you're going to get blocked. Don't decline. Oh, you declined. So you're talking shits, but you won't show your face. You are a scary bitch. A scary bitch. A scary bitch. And you get blocked. Oh my God. Mimi don't even have a profile pic. No, bitch. She made a whole profile just so she can follow me, bitch. But she's old and wise and shit. Bitch, take your old wide, your old, probably wise ass to bed, please. Okay? Shit. Cause she's a scary bitch. A scary bitch. A scary bitch. So you have to be blocked. Live, baby, you killing me with that song. That should be the song whenever they decline, bitch. Not me, the other girl talking shit about accountability. Oh, shit. We ain't talking about accountability tonight, bitch. Jen said Liv needs to take accountability, go live with her so she can explain that further. And I say, hell the fuck no. Mimi wasted enough of my time. She needs to take her old ass to sleep. The fuck? Accountability. Exactly, bitch. I'm like, accountability. What you mean? It's 2 a.m. on Instagram Live. There's no accountability given or taken, bitch. An old white catfish. Why? Why do I keep saying wide? An old, I think my mouth is dry. Wise catfish. Not catfish, I'm dead. No, she's not a catfish. She's an old, wise owl. Isn't that what they call them? Not catfish. Because we don't know what she looks like. It's 12 in Seattle. Hey. We the same, I swear. Oh, that's what's up. Oh man, who's bald-headed? Who's bald-headed? Shit, I know a couple bitches. What you mean? Mimi still talking? Mimi, go to bed, bitch. What you doing? Take your ass to bed. What? Oh, damn. Helena's kind of giving it straight up. No chaser, bitch. Yeah, Helena is, she ain't playing no games. Y'all want to go live? Mimi didn't get her stimulus. Bitch, I didn't get my stimulus, and I'm not talking shit. You know, I ain't talking shit. Well, I was a little petty tonight, though. I did a little petty ass shit tonight. I didn't have to do all that. But shit, I was in the moment, bitch. Emotions were running high, bitch. And I clicked send. Oh, fucking well. Shit. Hold on. Let me get up. I need to go to this gum. Oh my god. It's so. Okay. I'm gonna set you guys up. I wanna have a cigarette. I really don't need one, but I think I just smoke because I'm bored. I think that's what it is. Why did you take the story down? Because I know, like, it's petty. Like, you know, I know I have my moments of pettiness, but I also can recognize that. And I let myself be petty for a moment, but then when I thought about it again, I was like, that shit was petty. I got my point across, enough people screenshotted the shit, and, you know, I don't need to keep that petty shit on there. It was petty, but, I mean, it was the truth, though, you feel me? And that's why, you know, I don't regret it. But I just took it down because it was petty. That's all. Does my house smell like cigarettes? No. My house does not smell like cigarettes. It probably seems like it does because I smoke.